Mr. Savchuk. At this time, EuroChem develops two large-scale potassium deposits in Russia. What is the progress of this project so far, and how will it affect the company position on the global market?
Luckily, this year we are going to have potash coming out of two mines already. So one mine we are going to have is Q1, and the second one later in the year. And this will position EuroChem is one very unique company in the world with all products in its portfolio, so with nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. And capacity by development plan will be in 2021-2022 about 4 million tons per year. So which will add up approximately 7% of worldwide capacity.
What's the current trend in the nitrogen and the phosphorus prices, and what was the trend 5 years ago, and what is your prediction for the future?
Fundamentals are still there to maintain fertilizer prices. So this is population of the world still growing, and we feel that it will be demand constant. The problem with fertilizer prices is just fluctuations up and down, independence with current situation in the world, grain production or consumption, and any other triggers may also have impact on fertilizer prices. But I would say at present levels, fertilizer prices are okay, and in long term they will tend to be higher than today. But it can be some correction over sometimes.
About the new product, Crenel, you're now entering the biostimulant market. Is it your first product in this category?
Yes, and EuroChem is not only commodity company, it also I would say has very big position in the premium market. And before starting with Crenel, we also has a good portfolio of premium product, which would be our N-Tech, U-Tech, and here in Greece we have production of these products in Corinth. And Crenel, yes, this is our first investments into biostimulants, because we feel this is a future market. And I would say it's not substitution for mineral fertilizers, it's complementary. So it will help for crops better utilize mineral fertilizers, and as a consequences to make a better nutrient management. So still this market is new for us, and together with Agrinos company we are keeping developing new products, and the plan is certainly to add up more perspective and more interesting products in our portfolio.
Last but not least, how is your collaboration with EuroChem Hellas? A few words.
Elaboration. Now, EuroChem Hellas is, I would say, one of the most progressive companies in Europe, and I would say that Greek agricultural is quite progressive if you look at other markets, because they utilizing a lot of new technologies which is still new in other countries of Europe. And what we've seen today at Agrotica shows that it's a lot of companies, they offering really innovative products in Greece, while if you go for actual in Germany or French market, you will have less innovative product but more standard product. And that I would say that for us is EuroChem Agro Hellas is a pioneer of testing new products with innovative farmers.
Η χώρα μας είναι από τις μικρότερες στην Ευρωπαϊκή Ένωση σε γεωργική παραγωγή, είναι μια μικρή χώρα. Και ανάλογα είναι μία από τις μικρότερες στην κατανάλωση εφοδίων, ας πούμε λιπασμάτων. Άμα μας δούμε δίπλα σε μεγάλες γεωργικές χώρες όπως είναι η Γερμανία, όπως είναι η Γαλλία, αλλά ακόμα και η Ισπανία, η Ιταλία, θα δείτε ότι είμαστε πάρα πολύ μικροί. Αναρωτιέμαι ποιος είναι ο λόγος που 750.000 άνθρωποι στην Ελλάδα ασχολούνται με τη γεωργία. Ποιος είναι ο λόγος, και θα μιλήσω για τα λιπάσματα, που 54 εταιρείες λιπασμάτων, τόσες έχουμε στο Σύλλογο, πρέπει να υπάρχουν κι άλλες, ασχολούνται με τα λιπάσματα και επενδύουν σε εργοστάσια, σε συσκευαστήρια και έχουν εκατοντάδες εργαζομένους.
EuroChem has established in the last years in all core markets, in all key markets, own sales and distribution. Like Mr. Vivalakis and his team here in Greece, we have a strong team working together with you, knowing well the market, knowing well the needs of the markets. Because what is our approach is to learn from the market and to see what are your requests, what are your needs, and which kind of solution do you need. And I think with our product portfolio, I will come later on to this, we can really offer good solutions for your specific need here in Greece.
And the products that are being offered to you through our partnership with EuroChem are the Prunell products. Soil Fit on the left, which is used to help increase, again, organic matter, improve nutrient utilization, works very well with your fertilizer combinations, and provides a much healthier, robust plant by helping the soil. Top Vital is a product that's applied throughout the growing season as a foliar application, and it helps in all sorts of stress situations, whether there's stress from abiotic sources, heat or drought, or biotic sources, different diseases. This will help make a stronger plant.